Welcome to the CODATA RDA School of Research Data Science, a program of short courses in summer school equipping young researchers globally with core data skills. Research is changing. The increased capacity to create and analyze data has transformed many areas of science. This offers considerable opportunities as well as great challenges.
Data skills and competencies are now essential for almost all researchers. In a competitive world, the ability to work efficiently and skillfully with data will be a significant career advantage.
Despite growing recognition of this, there are major gaps in what is taught in undergraduate and postgraduate courses.
To help address this issue, the CODATA RDA School of Research Data Science provides an introduction to foundational data skills that are now needed by all researchers.
The 2-week course covers the following areas: the principles and practices of open science, fair data, and using data ethically, an introduction to research data management and the research data lifecycle, as well as how to prepare a data management plan.
Classes on author skills, including an introduction to persistent identifiers and licensing, and a grounding in how to compile bibliographies, how to find data more efficiently, and how to publish data.
Software carpentry and data carpentry classes on the command line, on how to use GitHub, on how to use the R language, an environment for statistical computing.
An introduction to the theory and practice of visualization, an introduction to machine learning, including recommender systems and artificial neural networks, and a grounding in the use of computational research infrastructures. This curriculum provides young researchers with the core skills that will allow them to be more effective and efficient in the work that they do, to analyze the data at their disposal, and to take advantage of the emerging culture of open science.
The demand for such training is enormous, and feedback from our students has convinced us of the strength of this approach, the content and the pedagogy.
To increase its impact, the initiative is seeking to expand in a number of ways.
Our vision is to establish and grow a network of host institutions, instructors, assistants and helpers that allow the data schools to be delivered in an expanding number of locations globally.
We have already made great progress towards these goals. In 2017, we ran our first regional school in Sao Paulo, Brazil, and in 2018 we added an East African school in Kigali, Rwanda. Our plan for 2019 is to expand from 2 to 5 schools, growing the network of regional hubs of expertise. Part of this expansion will be in partnership with the African Open Science Platform, directed by CODATA.
Providing instructors and helpers with support to enhance their pedagogical skills is an important part of our program.
Another valuable strand is our model for classroom helpers. Previous students are invited back to act as helpers, enriching their learning and allowing them to pass on expertise.
Many have taken things a step further, completing the software carpentry instructor training or running their own schools and shorter courses back home, further developing the regional expertise.
We recognise the immense value of hands-on, face-to-face learning, but we will also seek to expand and enhance the courses with online components, particularly to assist with preparation and reinforcement.
In 2018, we collaborated on a week-long version of the school in Brisbane, Australia. We are exploring opportunities for 1 or 2 week schools in Europe and the US. At the same time, the team is working on cost sharing, funding and business models in order to increase the scale of the program and to develop sustainability for the initiative.
The network effect of providing an increasing number of regional and local skills will allow us to deliver the same exciting experience and career-enhancing skills with greater efficiency and impact. To achieve this, the task group is looking for funding and collaborative support in order to establish a virtual coordinating office and provide the assistance needed for partner and host institutions.
The third edition of the Foundational School, hosted by the International Centre of Theoretical Physics in Trieste, Italy, finished on 17th of August 2018 and was attended by 47 students from 27 countries. It was followed by 3 week-long advanced workshops that focus on particular disciplines or applications: bioinformatics in collaboration with Elixir and H3 Africa, climate data science, and big data and the Internet of Things.
We are very grateful for the immense support we have received from the International Centre of Theoretical Physics. Generous sponsorship has also been provided by Springer Nature, Belmont Forum, Elixir, H3 Africa, RDA Europe, RDA US, and CODATA.
The co-chairs would also like to thank the instructors, helpers, and students that make this a genuinely life-enhancing experience.